So guys, Alabama is, I forgot to mention, it actually is home to a lot of big stuff, like bigger. I actually, just a second ago, I seen one of the biggest gas stations in the world, which was about 400 feet in length. Let's say your average, this gas station, it was about 8 of these. Like, it was really that big. But I did want to show you something that's just blows my mind. And do you know Alabama is home to the world's biggest fireworks shop? And it's right behind us. On our way to Disney World, we took a stop to get gas, and we actually came across it. So it's called Shelton Fireworks, and you would not believe how big it is. Your average fireworks shop may be the size of a gas station, but this size of a, oh, well, it's a lot bigger than a gas station. So, that here it is. The world's biggest fireworks shop. It's so big that I can't even fit in my camera, the whole thing. Yeah, I seen a little birdie. Come here, birdie. Yeah, he doesn't like being recorded. Can see, look how little is that truck. But this is the world's biggest fireworks place, and luckily if you smoke or cause a fire, probably be like, I don't know, just a gigantic explosion. It's like that to that is around 500 and 800 feet. And like that to up there is around 150 feet or to 200 feet. So it really is gigantic. So yeah, there's a lot of big things, but I really want to show you guys this. The reason why is there's nothing like it in the world for a fireworks shop. It is the biggest fireworks shop. It is like in Pensacola, Alabama, or Mobile, Alabama. It's right around there, and it is like the biggest, just the biggest. Probably, you could probably fit around 20, 50 gas stations in there. That big. Look for this sign. For comparison, there's another fireworks shop. Now, that one is actually, believe it or not, it's like barely any farther than that fireworks shop, but that fireworks shop is so big that looks close. It's like 1,000 feet away from me. I know it's kind of weird to video a fireworks shop, but I just had to videotape it. It's insane. I've seen bigger buildings, but a fireworks shop that big, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's the world's biggest fireworks shop. Unless there's something in China or Japan. Those suckers, you don't know what's gonna happen with them. China probably has one 15 times the size of that. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it is like the world's biggest gas station in America. Or wait, not gas station, fireworks shop in America. Really is like the biggest. So I'm gonna end it and I'm gonna take a picture.